Want to use ChatGPT Voice Mode on Android or iPhone? Then you're on the right video. It's a similar process for both of the devices, so let's get started. First thing first, move into your application ChatGPT. You can simply head over to application or move into any of the web browser. Once you're in this home page, you have to make sure that you are logged in into a specific account. Once logged in, now in order for you to use voice mode, you have to click on this icon. It will land you on this page. You can choose different kind of voice you want to. You can swipe left and you'll see more. From here, simply select the one that you like and then click on Get Started at the bottom. Once you have clicked on Get Started, now you can start speaking anything you want to with ChatGPT. Once done, the ChatGPT will also answer you with the voice mode. Not only that, they will also type in the message. Well, you can talk with ChatGPT like the way you talk with the people. They will provide you any information that you ask. So this is simply how you can use voice mode on ChatGPT. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.